Okay, so recently Google announced what we can expect at the next Google event. Well, it's the Pixel 8 series and the Pixel Watch 2. Now, the Pixel Watch 2 is not gonna be a massive upgrade overall in terms of looks and design, but the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro will definitely be. Let me tell you. So first and foremost, Google has announced the event is actually happening on 4th of October. So the release date is gonna be a week later, which is gonna be like 11th of October or so. And there is even a chance that Google will increase the global availability of its new smartphones to more regions: Austria, Belgium, Portugal, and even Switzerland. Now, the official teaser shows off the new design, which we already know how it will look like because we had the leaked marketing materials and a live look at the Pixel 8 Pro, so we knew that it's coming. This time we have slightly more different design than usual one. It still has the most attractive thing of the Pixels, the Pixel camera bar, but the whole phone is actually curvy this time, from the sides as well as from the corners. Now that's not only it, there are many other changes. Like the Pixel 8 this time is finally coming with a much smaller display to 6.16 inches, down from 6.32 inches of the Pixel 7. The Pixel 8 Pro though will still keep the 6.7-inch display of the Pixel 7 Pro. But there is also change in the display department as well. Now this time, both of these panels will actually have LTPO technology, even though the past models had LTPO, but they couldn't switch the refresh rate all the way down to 10 Hz or so. This time, these phones will be able to do that. So finally, Google will take advantage of the LTPO technology properly. But that's not only it. The Pixel 8, the standard model, will also come with 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, so it's no more 90 Hz. But that's not where it ends though. There is another one. The Pixel 8 Pro will have insane 1600 nits of peak brightness, while the base model will have 1400 nits of peak brightness. Now, another accidental leak of the Pixel 8 Pro via the Pixel Simulator also seemingly confirmed that the Pixel 8 Pro finally coming with flat display, just like the Pixel 8. But also, it's kind of make the bezel slightly more thicker. In terms of color options, so Google has already revealed what are the color options. On the Pixel 8 though, you can actually see there is a slight pinkish color option, kind of rose gold color option. Fantastic looking. Now there might also be a haze color option, which might just be a green color, but we just don't know at this point. In terms of battery and charging though, there is a slight different change. Well, leaks suggest that Pixel 8 will actually come with a larger 4485 mAh battery, while the Pixel 8 Pro will actually house a 4950 mAh battery. The Pixel 8 and 8 Pro will also support much faster charging than the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro did. Well, at the heart of the Pixel 8 series is actually going to be the powerful Tensor G3 chip. It will have 9 cores in total. Now, this is still manufactured by Samsung Foundry, do keep that in mind, and it's also going to have Mali G715 GPU. Anyway, camera-wise, we are seeing a massive upgrade. The Pixel 8 and 8 Pro, both of them will come with Samsung's own ISOCELL GN2 50 megapixel camera sensor. It's a much bigger sensor compared to the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro's ISOCELL GN1 50 megapixel camera, and one of the biggest camera sensors currently in the market. Now, two more exciting features we have already seen from the Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro that were leaked. One of them actually is an adaptive torch function. This enables the camera's flash to automatically adjust its intensity when capturing photos at the night, reducing the overexposure and ensuring the subject are well illuminated without compromising the image quality. Another thing that is coming to the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro is actually Audio Magic Eraser. The concept behind this is very simple. It is to provide users the ability to fine-tune the audio of their recorded videos. So if you don't want the background noise, you can clear that in the video. If you don't want the music playing in the background, you can clear that as well. It's pretty cool. Now, other than that, the Pixel 8 Pro's ultra-wide-angle camera is expected to feature the impressive 64 megapixel IMX787 sensor, which was previously used on the Pixel 7a as the main camera. But that is only going to be Pixel 8 Pro exclusive though. And the last thing is storage and the price. Well, the storage is actually going to be identical to the Pixel 7 Pro series, so there is no changes at all. But there is a change in the pricing department. Now, we actually don't have any idea about the Pixel 8 Pro's pricing as of yet, but the Pixel 8 is rumored to start at $649 or $699, which is literally $50 to $100 more than the Pixel 7's launch price. So yeah, that's one another thing to note. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro? And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website, a link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.